So this is breaking news. Miss Nattalie Dawkins, the primary school teacher that was missing, she has been found dead. So nationwide news understands that the primary school teacher, Miss Nattalie Dawkins, who had been missing for several days, she has been found dead. Miss Dawkins' body was found today in an advanced state of decomposition. The body of the teacher was found in the Sandy Bay area of Clarendon. Miss Dawkins has been missing since Tuesday last week, and the Clarendon-based primary school teacher is believed to have been abducted by gunmen, while her handbag was found last week along the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000. Her motor vehicle was recovered earlier this week by the police, and Miss Dawkins was a teacher at the Four Paths Primary School in Clarendon. However, she's no more. So like I said, this is breaking news, so please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings. Stay safe.